What if I told you that you will have to spend around 40,000 rupees on service within the first 30,000 kilometers? Is the service cost actually this expensive even though the service interval is 7,500 kilometers? Is the ownership cost of the Duke 250 justified, or will it burn a hole in your pocket? Let's find out. The ex-showroom price of the Duke 250 is 2.11 lakhs. This means that the on-road price in Bangalore is 2.76 lakhs. You've paid for the bike, you got the delivery, you refuel and get it home. This is how the ownership experience starts. You enjoy your rides, take good care of your bike. 45 days or 1000 kilometers later, you'll have to give your bike for the first service. The first service will give you an idea of what to expect in the first 3 services. During the first service, we'll have to change the oil filter, engine oil, and we'll need some consumables such as chain lube and grease to make sure the bike is in good condition. This will cost you about 1900 rupees. Following the first service, you'll have to follow the service interval of 90 days or 7500 kilometers. This means that the second service is at 8500 kilometers or 150 days from the date of purchase of your motorcycle. In this service, you'll be required to change the oil filter, engine oil and chain lube like in the first service. In addition to this, you'll have to change your air filters, spark plugs and disc pads. Now this will cost you up to 2900 rupees. This is followed by the third service at 16,000 kilometers or 240 days. You'll have one additional change compared to the second service, the chain sprockets. The chain sprocket will only last this long provided you clean and lube your chain every 500 kilometers. I generally do not use the lube that is specified by KTM. I'll cover this in another video. The third service marks the end of your free services, and this is when your service cost will start to go up. As you get closer to your fourth service, your tires will have started to wear out. The clutch starts feeling tighter, and it will seem as though someone is holding your clutch cable when you're letting go of the lever. You'll realize that the radiator fan starts working sooner than it did before. It's very important that you look out for these signs so that you can get it fixed at the time of service. During the fourth service, which is at 23,500 kilometers or 330 days, you'll have to change the oil filter, engine oil, chain lube, air filter, spark plugs, disc pads, clutch cable, coolant and the tires. Labor charge is also included here. The total cost incurred will be around 16,000 rupees. The fifth service marks the completion of 31,000 kilometers or 420 days of ownership. This is when your rear damper will be on its last legs. A full mechanical check at this point will ensure that your bike runs for longer and stays in pristine condition. During this service, you will have to pay for oil filters, engine oil, chain lube, air filter, spark plugs, disc pads, fork oil, chain dampers, rear suspension, cone set, gear lever arm and labor charges. This will cost you around 14,500 rupees. But post this service, your cost will come down. You don't have to change everything I've mentioned here. It depends mainly on how you have maintained your bike. The total service cost for 30,000 kilometers will come up to 41,750 rupees. This means that the cost of ownership, barring the fuel expenses, will be around 1.39 rupees per kilometer. You will not be able to cover the kilometers recommended by KTM. Hence, this cost will be spread over more than 1.5 to 2 years in my opinion. And this is why the bike becomes affordable. Beyond 30,000 kilometers, you'll have to change components on the basis of how you have maintained your bike. If you are someone who abuses your bike, then you'll have to get your bore and piston looked at along with your valve clearances. The intent of this video was to explain the cost of ownership, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to know how any of the components fail or how you can increase the life of a component, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.